My child, I see the tears you hide and the battles you fight in silence. I know the weight on your heart, the prayers you whisper when no one is listening. Do not think your pain is unnoticed. I am closer than your breath, and I walk with you even when the road feels dark. You feel tired, not just in your body but in your soul. You wonder if your faith is enough, if your efforts matter, if tomorrow will ever look different. Hear me now, you are not forgotten. You are not weak. You are deeply loved. When the world tells you to give up, I tell you to stand still and trust me. I did not bring you this far to abandon you. Every delay has a purpose. Every closed door is protecting you from what you cannot see. What feels like loss today is shaping strength for tomorrow. Do not be afraid of your brokenness. I specialize in restoring what others call hopeless. I heal hearts that feel shattered beyond repair. I turn shame into testimony and pain into power. Where you see failure, I see preparation. Remember, I calmed storms not because the waves were small, but because my presence was greater. The storm you face now will not destroy you. It will reveal who you are becoming. Keep your eyes on me, not on the wind. When you have nothing left but faith, that is enough. A mustard seed of belief can move mountains. Speak life, even when your voice shakes. Pray, even when words feel empty. I hear every cry, every sigh, every silent plea. You are not late. You are not behind. My timing is perfect. What I have promised will come to pass. Walk forward with courage. Forgive those who hurt you. Release what is weighing you down. Trust me with what you cannot control. Rise each day knowing this truth. I am with you. I am for you. I will never leave you. Your life is not over. Your best days are not behind you. With me, a new chapter begins, full of hope, healing, and unshakable peace.